paid out these affiliate commissions to people like you who want to make passive income with no investments or risk. And in this video, I'm going to give you the entire business model to make recurring passive income with zero investments, and anyone can do it from anywhere in the world. This has to be the easiest side hustle in 2023, and you could make even $100 per day if you are consistent with it, especially now that we're in Q4. If you're interested in this low risk, no investment method of making $100 a day, let's dive right in. So essentially what you'll be doing is you'll be promoting Merch Dominator, which is our print-on-demand research platform. So you'll become an affiliate, and anyone who buys a subscription through your link, you'll get paid 25% recurring lifetime commission, as you can see over here. If you want to find out more about the Merch Dominator affiliate program, go to this link right here, merchdominator.com/affiliates, and you'll come to this page. Alternatively, you can click on this link right here, or if you're inside the tool, you can simply click on become an affiliate. Feel free to scroll down, read all the info so that you can become acquainted with the affiliate program. Then you want to go ahead and click on I want to sign up, which will bring you to this page right here. Now the first step is to sign up to the program, which is completely free. You don't have to be a member of Merch Dominator Premium to access the affiliate promotion features. Then after we create our affiliate link, I'm going to show you guys how to promote that affiliate link so that you guys can get paid commissions on a recurring basis. So you want to put your first name, last name, email, and password here. Click on I'm not a robot to satisfy this captcha. Click on I agree to terms and conditions, and obviously read the terms and conditions before that, and then click on sign up now. Now you're going to come to this page where you can add your photo, fill out your address. The company is optional. The website is also optional. And over here, give us some more details about your experience with affiliate marketing and how you plan to promote Merch Dominator. Then you click on save. Now over here, you need to enter your PayPal email so that you can get paid, and click on add, or you can leave it for later and click on skip. And because this is a brand new demo account, and as soon as you sign up, you get to see the dashboard right here where you can see your clicks, conversions, and commissions, etc, etc. Over here, you've got reporting. You can see your conversions, sources, where you got the traffic from, etc, and payouts. Now we're interested in getting our affiliate link, and this is where you get it from assets. This is the link that you want, guys. Let's test if it works. I'm going to copy it and paste it over here. So it took me directly to the pricing page of Merch Dominator. Now let's see if a click got registered. There you go, guys. We just got one click. So everything is tracked. Clicks, conversions, all sorts of things. So you can see your performance live. We can even see that someone clicked from the United Kingdom. Who's that? That's me. Now guys, let's talk about how you can promote this affiliate link to make money. How much money actually can you make? So you make 25% lifetime commission for every conversion, meaning you get paid every month, as long as the person who subscribed remains subscribed. You can also get paid 25% on yearly subscriptions. So at the moment, there's a coupon of 50% discount, right? Meaning that people can subscribe for $24.50, because $49 becomes $24.50. Let's do some quick math. $24.50 times 25% equals $6.125. If you make 100 of those conversions per month, that's $612. If you do 1,000 of those, let's time it by 10, 6,125, and it's very, very possible. Now this is where it gets interesting. You want to sell those yearly memberships, right? 245, which is the yearly subscription, including the discounts, your 25%, you get $61.25 for every single conversion. Now you get 10 of those, 20 of those, we're talking about thousands of dollars here, right? So let's say you get 50 per month, that's 3,062, and it's very realistic, guys, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. And what's amazing, guys, is that all of this is passive and also recurring. So if someone subscribes this month and they stay subscribed every single month, you'll get paid. Now, in terms of promotion, there are two ways: passive promotion and active promotion. Let's start with the active way of promoting your affiliate links. Now, the first way is Facebook, right? You want to go to Facebook and you want to join as many Facebook groups as possible for Merch by Amazon, Print on Demand, Etsy, etc, etc. I'm sure sure that if you're in Print on Demand or in Merch by Amazon, you're probably a member of a few groups. Try and get in as many groups as possible. And what you want to do is you want to try and be as helpful as possible to anyone who is asking a question, making a post about how to find niches, etc., etc., whatever it is. And you can include your affiliate link of Merch Dominator and recommend Merch Dominator as a way to solve their problem. Obviously, as long as it fits. For example, if they're asking about how to find niches, you can say some top level stuff about finding niches and say, hey, by the way, you can check out Merch Dominator. They have a free plan. Here's the link to subscribe. And obviously, if they like it, they will subscribe and you will get the commission for it. The other way is you can upload my videos onto a Facebook page and then give them that video that you've just uploaded from my own YouTube channel or from my own Facebook page. You can use it however you like, that's not a problem. And then you can put your own affiliate link inside the description of that video. So that way they watch the video and they benefit from it. And also they can purchase the Merch Dominator subscription, because in the video I say you can check the link down below in the subscription. So therefore they can be prompted to click on the link and you will get paid that commission. That's one of the ways. Obviously there are plenty of ways of promoting affiliate links on Facebook groups. A simple YouTube search will show you many tutorials on how to do that. And if you guys would like me to delve deeper in every single one of these ways on how to promote Merch Dominator and make money from it, let me know down below in the comments if you're interested. And also you can use ChatGPT to answer these questions. So if someone says something, how can I find Merch by Amazon niches, or what is copyright, what is trademark? Easy, just go to ChatGPT and say, what is trademark for Print on Demand? Can you give me an explanation on how to search for trademarks or copyright for Print on Demand? ChatGPT will give you an answer and you tweak it a little bit and give it to that person who's asking for it, and make sure you include your affiliate link for Merch Dominator and say, hey, by the way, Merch Dominator has a fantastic feature for trademark search, etc., etc. You can even track your trademarks. It even has a trademark watch list where you can track certain keywords in case they become trademarks, etc. And then you can say, hey, here's the link, check it out. There are so many ways, guys. Just need to think outside the box. Here's another way. You want to go to Quora. Quora is one of the biggest websites where people ask questions and they can find answers to those questions. So just went to Quora, typed Merch by Amazon and clicked on the questions filter, and I want to check only questions that were asked in the past month or so, right? You can easily answer all these questions and mention Merch Dominator in some way to help them solve their issue or answer their question, etc. So how much money can someone make if they sell t-shirts through Amazon Merch, right? You can copy this question, put it in ChatGPT. ChatGPT will give you an answer, tweak it a little bit and say, hey, by the way, if you want to get amazing results, make sure you use research tool like Merch Dominator because it has so and so and so feature. Check out the link below. Even better, you can get few of my YouTube videos, re-upload them in a new channel that you're going to create, add your own Merch Dominator affiliate link into those YouTube videos, and you can say, hey, check out this video. It has the answer that you're looking for and it will really help you with whatever. And that video will have your affiliate link. You can create a PDF and that PDF will have your affiliate link. All sorts of things. There's loads of options, guys. And it's not just Merch by Amazon. You can type Print on Demand, you can type KDP, you can type Etsy, Redbubble, and just keep answering questions. And the more questions you answer, the more visibility you have and the more exposure you give to your affiliate link. Now, the other method is a passive method of promoting the affiliate link. Method number one, you've got YouTube. So you can either copy my videos or create your own. If we do a simple search for Merch Dominator, and I'm going to filter by, say, this month, all these people are re-uploading my videos and they're getting views, guys. They're getting seen. And anyone who clicks on their link and subscribes, they will get commission for it. I'm telling you guys, this is what people are doing to make money right now. So it's a win-win situation for Merch Dominator and for the affiliate. Merch Dominator will get the traffic and the affiliate will get paid for the traffic that they drive. Simple as that. Method number two, you've got Instagram. So either share my own videos to a brand new Instagram account that you're going to dedicate to Merch by Amazon, POD, Merch Dominator, whatever, or create your own. So just type Merch Merch by Amazon, get inspired, go to my own account, which is this one right here, or Master ADP. Get any videos from it, no problem. You can use them however you like. Re-upload them, repost them, and add your link. You've also got TikTok. So I typed Merch by Amazon. I found a few people promoting themselves. There's also my video there as well. There's another one. There's another one. Again, take any one of my videos, repost them, and add your own link. The other way, guys, is create a Facebook page. I've got 431k followers on this Facebook page right here. And whenever I post, I get so much engagements, guys. Facebook is crazy. You can post reels, you can post videos, like I said. You can use them on a passive style where people will find those videos, or you can use them with the active method that I showed you guys. So whenever someone asks a question, you already have many videos that you've already either created. You can use my videos, send them the videos, and those videos will have your link in the description, and therefore when they click on that link and subscribe, you get paid the commission. I'm doing everything I can to make things very easy for you. I'm even allowing you to use my own content, so literally no excuses here. We also have Pinterest. You know, just type Merch by Amazon, loads of inspiration there. Create different pins and add your link. And different pins could be Merch by Amazon research tools. It could be for best tool to find Merch by Amazon niches, you know. Could be how to make $100,000 a year with Merch by Amazon. Could be anything. You could come over here and write a blog, you know, write a post about a topic on Merch by Amazon or Print on Demand, and then go and promote it on Pinterest. Or you can write an answer and promote it in Pinterest. You can do all sorts of things. Here with Quora, same thing. Print on Demand, there's loads of people asking questions. Look at these opportunities, right? All these questions can be answered very, very easily with ChatGPT, and just insert your affiliate link on the slide. And if Quora doesn't allow you to use that affiliate link, what you can do is you can create a bridge page using, for example, Google Sites. I'm going to show you an example in a bit. And in that Google Sites, you're going to basically write a blog about Merch Dominator, and then you're going to link to that Google site, and in that Google site you're going to have the affiliate link. That way Quora is not going to suspend your account or block that affiliate link. Guys, this is a powerful method. This is Medium. Medium gets millions and millions of visitors per month. It's one of the biggest blogging websites in the world. I typed Merch by Amazon and I found all these articles. All these articles are using affiliate links, pretty much. So you too can create a blog about Merch by Amazon, Print on Demand, Etsy, Redbubble, whatever, and include Merch Dominator in the blog. And you're going to add your affiliate link there as well. You could even use Medium as a bridge page. So for example, if you're answering someone's question here, you could say, by the way, check out this blog where I answer everything in detail. And you're going to paste the link of the Medium blog that you created, right? And in the Medium blog that you created, there's going to be the affiliate link, right? Or if Medium doesn't allow you to add that affiliate link, what you can do is you can use Google Sites, just like this person right here did. So I typed Merch Dominator. This guy is promoting Merch Dominator using Medium. Check this out. They say, click the link to know more. When you click the link, it takes you to a Google site where he has his affiliate link. So if I click on any of these links right here, it's going to take me to his affiliate link. See that? This is an affiliate link. If I subscribe now by clicking on this link, he's going to get a commission. And guys, we have a Discord server. If you guys want to check it out, definitely something that will help you massively figure out this whole print on demand business and Merch by Amazon, etc. There's lots of people that want to help each other out, so it would be great for you to become part of it. And if you're a subscriber of Merch Dominator, there's also a premium section where we're going to be doing live sessions just for premium members of Merch Dominator. I'll leave you a link down below in the description to join the server. Let me know, guys, which method appeals to you more and which method you'd like me to discuss in a bit more detail. Maybe I can dedicate a whole video to that method. Let me know in the comments. And if you guys need a Merch by Amazon account, or you know someone who needs one, I'm going to leave you a link down below in the description. You'll get it within 24 hours of purchase. I'll also leave you below a crash course for Merch by Amazon, along with 200 plus profitable print on demand niches, a link to check out my full Ultimate Merch by Amazon course that's helped hundreds of people crush Merch by Amazon. And if you guys don't have time to do niche research, I'm going to leave you a link for my niche research service. I hope you found this video useful and it inspired you to get going. If you want to learn more about starting a print on demand business for free, be sure to check this video next. I'll see you in the next one.